All right, y'all, we got the Dbrand Kill switch with the skins, glow in the dark, with the ROG Ally Xbox Asus, 1 TB with a terabyte extra memory card and a terabyte in the terabyte holder, so that's 3 TB in total. So it's pretty good, you know. Let's see it load. Crank it up. It's loading up, y'all. Let's see what it look like. See, it's the Dbrand. Sell y'all the extra terabyte. See, it's the extra terabyte. It's a whole terabyte right there. Memory card right there. We got a terabyte memory card right in there. And then we got a terabyte on the console. So that's 3 TB in total. Ready to go. All right, y'all. Let's try this on. There we go. That's crazy, right? This is how it comes on. Redo that for y'all in case y'all didn't see that. Go back to the Xbox home screen. Xbox right there. Minimize. Close, close. Okay, there we go. Back to the beginning load screen, y'all. Check this out. Let me get that off of there. There we go. So showing some of the games we got. Hit the button right there. And then hit this right here. Crazy, right? Run some of this. We'll crank up the Expedition 33. Show you how good the clarity of this thing is. This thing's phenomenal. Phenomenal. That's a minimum statement. Yeah, check this out, y'all. I'm loading up the Expedition 33. In case you haven't took you an expedition, you might want to take you one. You get there faster. It's loading in. All right, here we go. Now we got action. Pretty quick load time too, y'all. It's not bad. Yeah, here we go. Let's go.